Hello, my hillbillies. I'm coming with a haul from Burano's, and we will be reviewing and swatching and all this good stuff. So, get on with it. It came from Amazon. This kit is $35.99 for this kit. Oh, Lord. And it is a starter kit. Well, Jesus. Is it going to let me get off? Okay, there we go. My box is damaged a little bit. Oh, Lord. I'm missing trash. Here we go. Okay, here we go. It's a Burano starter kit. Start here. This gives you the instructions on how to use everything that is in the box. So, this is their YouTube, their Instagram, Facebook, and a card. Turn over this and learn how to go 1 year replacement of insurance. Oh, wow, I didn't know that. I'll hang on to that. 1 year, aha, insurance. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's see. We got a buffer. Ooh, that's nice there. Ooh, we have some more of this. I needed another tube. And we have some toe dividers. That's what I call them. We got a little brush. Feels very nice. We got a cuticle pusher and a cuticle trimmer. A 180 file. My nail my way. USB cord. Ooh, we got a lamp. Hey. I always need lamps. And let's see, let's open. Is there a thing on it? There's no plastic on it. Is it no been plastic on it? It looks like it's been used. Yeah, it does. Oh, that's why it looks like that. Okay. Ooh, now I don't. Now it looks party. Now it looks party. Alright, get that out of there. Give me a minute and let me plug this up. I'll be right back. Okay, I got it plugged up. The cord's not very long at all. Not for me. But anyway, they do make longer cords. You can buy longer cords. It is on. It does work. So we can turn it off. Yep, and we can turn it on. Okay, we'll just let it set and see if it goes off by itself. Well, we've finished looking, and here is all of the. This one here is 70% alcohol. These are UV gel polish removers. Okay, I will be using these to take these off because I have some stuff I need to do that I want to do. Alright, now I'm having a hot flash. Jack it off. Oh. This thing says before. Okay, I need to turn it off. It says charge 2 hours before using. So maybe I can. Let me find this book. So maybe it can just charge and then I can come back to it. Okay, peel off the protector thing. We did that. Charge about an hour to 2, up to 3 hours of use. Push the white button to cure for a minute. It is better to cure 2 minutes for 1 layer of colored gel. Okay, but it don't, let's see. Portable, rechargeable. It's a portable rechargeable. So that means that's why the cord, I'm assuming the cord is short. So, but we know it works. So that's what it is. It's supposed to be, you can charge it and use it for up to 3 hours. Alright, let's get these polishers out. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, there's 7. I thought there were 6. There's 7. Okay, I'm gonna need another swatch stick. Okay, no problem, no problem. Alright, let's get rid of the box. Over here. And it's a 1-step gel polish, 7.3 mLs or 0.25 full ounces. And it gives you a warning. You can see the color through the top, but we want to swatch it, but it does not tell us what color it is. So I will number them. This is what I'm going to wind up doing. Alright, let's go ahead and get into the swatching really quick. And I'm going to use my other lamp that I have over here. And we're going to use this color that looks really, really pink. Ooh, it is a pretty pink. This is 1-step gel polish. So basically we're not supposed to have to use but 1 coat. That's what I'm taking. But I don't know. It's pretty. Alright, we're going to set that in. I'll move that one over, because I'm going to have to go in and renumber them. And number the swatch sticks. Oh, this is really pretty. Sparkly tape. Oh, I love that. Yes, I do. Okay. Yes, I want to put 2 on this one. I'm going to put 2 on them. But I am loving, loving, loving that. My window has got some sun coming in. I probably don't even need these lights on. That was one light. Alright, here is another pink. I do not know if it's the same pink. One might be darker than the other. It's a possibility. But to me, it looks like the same pink. I am sure Chris can find out really quick. Because I thought there were 6 polishes in here. Alright, I'll set that there. That way I know what's what. And here's one that looks like a red. Let's go over. Ooh, and it's dark. Ooh. Me liking this. Yes, we do. Okay, stick that in. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and cure those real quick. And do these 3 here. And this is like a, oh, maybe a skin tone pink. I wouldn't call it, like, what is that color that we used to color pictures with? Like peach. There it is. Skin tone color. Peach. My nose is itching. Somebody must be coming to see me. Alright, and here is another pink. Well, they had the pinks in here, didn't they? Oh, and this is a sparkly one like that purple. Ooh. Oh, yes. Me loving. I think I'm going to use this pink and this purple when I get ready to do my pink nails. I really do. Oh, that is so pretty. I'm Alright, we'll do this one here. I don't know. It looks like a gray. Like a charcoal gray, maybe? Let's see. Oh, cow manure. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Like a charcoal gray. Which that's fine. And dandy. I have no problem with that. At all. Okay. Alright, let's take these out. Alright, that's one pink. Oh! Oh! And I don't even have to, clean them or nothing. They're not sticky or anything. That's cool. That goes with that one. Maybe I don't have to, you don't after they cure. We're gonna test those pinks together in just a minute. Let me get these in there, and then we'll go look at these other ones here. Okay, get your booty in there. I just thought I was even gonna have to top coat them, but it don't look like you have to. All right. So that one coat was good enough. All right, there's the red one. That's really pretty. And this is one pink, and this is the other pink. Yeah, one's darker than the other. Okay. So this pink here, it's pretty pink. Goes with this one. This pink goes with this one. Oh, I didn't even show you that one. It's a lighter pink. Okay, and the purple. I love that. That's so pretty. Yes, ma'am. Very pretty. All right, well, let's go. That tone color. Really pretty. I like these colors very well. Easy to use. And one coat. Oh, look at that pink. Oh, that's so pretty. These lights just don't do it justice at all. And then the gray. I like the fact that they don't have a sticky layer on them at all. And it feels just fine, like you really don't even need a top coat, but I pulled one out just in case I did. But anyway, I'm loving this kit. So if this does what it's supposed to do and I don't have to use that plugged in after it's been charged, this is a very awesome kit. So like I said, Amazon. I already told you I'll put the price in there. And it's the one-step gel polish starter kit. Go get it. It's awesome. And that's it. The giveaway is still open. The numbers are booming. We're up to 213 now. Ooh, yes, ma'am. And I got 2 on Valentine's Day. 2 extra subs on Valentine's Day. So that was awesome. And this came in Valentine's Day. And that was another awesome thing. So, peace out, my hillbillies. Love ya.